In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept donations on Wix free and easy. If you're running a nonprofit, a personal project, or just want to support a cause, adding a donation option to your Wix site is quick and doesn't require custom code. We'll use Wix's built-in PayPal donate button so you can start accepting contributions right away. First, open your site in the Wix editor. On the left-hand side, look for the Add panel, the plus icon, and click it to open your list of elements. This is where Wix keeps everything you can drop onto a page. Next, choose Button to see the available button types. Within that section, find the PayPal buttons option. Wix provides a few PayPal choices here, and the one we want is the PayPal Donate button. Click and drag the PayPal Donate button onto the page, then drop it where it makes the most sense, near the top of your homepage on a dedicated donations page or in a section that explains your mission. Position it clearly and give it a bit of space so it stands out. With the button placed, select it and click. Add PayPal info or open its settings. This is where you connect the button to your PayPal account and define what donors will see. In the PayPal email field, carefully enter the email associated with the PayPal account that should receive the funds. Double check for typos. This is crucial for getting donations delivered to the right place. Depending on your region and PayPal's policies, a business account may be recommended for donations. In the field labeled "What's the donation for?" write a short, clear description of the cause or purpose, something like "Support our community program" or "Help fund our next release." This text helps donors feel confident about where their money is going and often appears during checkout. Now add "What's the donation amount?" If you want a preset contribution, enter that here. Many sites include a suggested amount to guide donors, and you can always explain other ways to give larger or smaller amounts elsewhere on your site. Finally, select "What's the currency?" Choose the currency most of your supporters use so the amount feels familiar and transparent. Before you share the page, preview your site to confirm the button looks good, the text reads clearly, and the checkout flow opens correctly. If possible, run a small test donation to verify everything is connected properly. When you're happy with it, publish your site. From here, you can refine the button's design using Wix's styling tools and place brief supporting text nearby to increase trust and clarity. And that's it. Your Wix site is ready to accept donations fast and free.